Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Sheedenhelm coming to you today from whiteboxlearning.com. A couple things we'll be doing this week. We are going to be creating our first dragster, and that is on whiteboxlearning.com under the engineering tab. You're going to learn, well, you're going to use all of your research you've done from the research section to build the fastest dragster you can. There's three main things that you should be looking at. That's cartridge force, drag force, and friction force. Use the knowledge that you've learned so far and put all of that into engineering your own dragster. Okay. So first off, click on the engineering tab up top. This is going to be bringing you to the engineering part of it where you're going to actually 3D model it. Kind of like Google SketchUp, a little different though. What I would do is I'd click the I on everything except for probably refined solid. You can. I don't like it. You can. It doesn't matter though. I just put rough solid. And then first thing you'll do, you're going to start messing around with the shapes of your vehicle. And you can look at the upper profile by clicking on the tool. And this is messing around with this line right here. This is the upper profile. Okay, right where I just dragged my mouse. That is the upper profile. This is where we're going to mess around with the shape of the top of the car. And you have three options. You have lines, spline, and curves. Okay, I like the lines and the curves the most. Down here, this is where you can add a point. You can take away a point. So like I could delete this point. And now there is no shape to the vehicle. I deleted the whole line. But let's undo that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add a point, and I'm going to start off with lines. And this is just going to shape the vehicle. I'm actually going to delete this top one, go back to add a line, and my next one I want to make a curve. Okay. From here, I'm going to click on the spline, and I'm going to bring it down just so that it reaches the right shape you want based off of the knowledge you've learned from the past three sections. Okay. Make this design. When you're done with it, you can click done. Then you can go to the lower profile. The lower profile line is on the bottom of the vehicle. You got to make sure there is wood where the axles are supposed to be though. And that's where the center of the wheels are right now. And I'll start with adding a line probably right here. I'm going to take away that first line, making some curves to it. Add. Oh, I'm still on deleting a point. I need to add a point. That's what was wrong. Gotta add it right there. And my next one is going to be here. And here. And here. Okay, and then I'm going to delete that last line. So if you're having troubles, just make sure you're not still on the delete point. You want to be on the add point if you're adding lines. Okay, and hit done. Cool. Top profile. Let's look at the top. So, same thing. I'm pretty sure it mirrors it to the other side. So if I click on this line right here, yep, it does. And then I'm going to delete that first line, that first point. I'm going to add some curves. Oh, still I'm deleting a point. Got to add a curve. And so forth. Okay, so this video is going to be ending in 16 seconds, so I'll be starting video number 2 shortly. Thank you.